Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying battery chemistry and voltage because chargers use different charging profiles. For example, set 12V for a 12V lead acid. Once verified, put on gloves and eye protection and ensure the area is ventilated. Make sure the charger is turned off and unplugged while you inspect and clean the battery terminals with a wire brush or baking soda paste. This improves contact. Now position the charger near the battery, so cables reach both terminals without stretching or contact with metal. Attach the positive red clamp to the battery's positive terminal first. You want a secure, spark-free connection. Next, attach the negative black clamp, either to the battery negative or to a clean chassis ground away from the fuel system, depending on manufacturer guidance, because grounding reduces risk of sparks near hydrogen. Once clamps are secure, plug in the charger and set the charging mode and current. Choose a lower amp for long maintenance charging or higher for a quicker charge, and make sure the charger's indicators show proper connection. Start the charge and monitor both voltage and temperature periodically. Excessive heat indicates a problem. Once the charger indicates full charge, turn it off and unplug before unclamping. Remove the negative clamp first to minimize short risk. If charging doesn't start or the charger shows error lights, stop and check fuses, verify cable continuity and clamp contact, and inspect for heavy corrosion or a sulfated battery. If the battery gets very hot or voltage won't rise, discontinue and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.